Okay, so quick thing. So I just plugged this in, turned it on, put the tip on before I turn it on. And the tip, you only get one tip. It's hard for me to focus. It's quite a broad tip, big tip. And it's not your standard tip. You actually need, it's one big long piece. So all this, just one piece that threads in here. And it comes in a bag. You'll see the picture. It's literally that long. So I worry about this being sort of not long-term use stuff, like what happens once you go to this tip, and how durable is this tip, and how expensive is it to just replace this tip. So that's one of the things I'll mention. It came with no instructions, so I'm left at guessing. There's a power button here on the side, so you turn it on, turn it off, and when I turn it on, that kept going up really fast, all the way up to 698, and then that right there is temperature. I don't know what the heck that really means, so I want to go ahead and play with this dial and see. Okay, so maybe that's ambient temperature, and maybe that temperature wasn't getting that hot. I don't know. Well, if it really is that hot, I should be able to melt some of this solder that I have. So I'm going to test it here for the first time right in front of you to see how it works. So I'm going to try to position my camera so you can see the tip. Alright. I'm trying to, yeah, well, there you go. So it definitely is that hot. Or, I mean, I don't know if it's that hot, but it's definitely hot enough to melt solder. So I'm gonna see what's the max. That's the max. That's the lowest. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it go down a little bit. Obviously, you know, there's no active cooling, so it's just gonna take a while for it to get down. So there you go. I mean, I think that gives you an idea how it works.